On the 2nd May 2023, the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services addressed the committee on the relevant political priorities regarding the Office of the Chief Justice and highlighted that the Office of the Chief Justice will continue to ensure that all South Africans have access to justice. It should also be noted that the 2023 budget adopted theme Navigating Economic Recovery acknowledges that budgeting takes place in a challenging global and domestic environment, and that the report make mention of that medium-term fiscal policy aims to achieve a balance between stimulating the economy, maintaining fiscal sustainability, and strengthening welfare for vulnerable citizens through the protection of the social wage. However, Honourable House Chair, the economy has weakened, and although revenue performance was better than estimated in the 22 budget, at a domestic level, finances are severely constrained. The report is unfortunately silent and without any reference to the detrimental financial effect of state capture and the impact thereof on the Department and Office of the Chief Justice's ability to fulfill its core function to provide administrative support to the judiciary. Honourable Chair, I also wish to remind Honourable Minister Ramola, who is a firm believer and supporter of cadre deployment, that cadre deployment was instrumental to state capture in the first place. Honourable Chair, the current state of the economy of the South African government, state and budget cuts impact directly on the ability of the Office of the Chief Justice to ensure an efficient court system and provide judicial support, and the Office of the Chief Justice has already reported that the restricted budget has impacted on the filling of critical posts. Although the Office of the Chief Justice achieved an unqualified audit, it is alarming that the outcome has regressed largely as a result of various instances of irregular expenditure that occurred in the ICT environment. The Freedom Front Plus notes the Minister's statement that the policy on judicial governance and court administration had now reached the stage where it's ready for engagement with stakeholders as far as envisaged the transformation to a single judiciary. Honourable Chair, the Minister should realise with all respect that the single judiciary on its own will not fix fundamental shortcomings, inefficiencies, and other challenges that our judicial system experiences. Efficient training of prosecutors and aspirant judges is now more important than ever, considering the outcome of the Judicial Service Commission pointed out that the judgments of several of the candidates delivered while they were acting as judges were riddled with mistakes, ranging from typographical errors to misunderstandings of foundational legal concepts. The recent unfortunate turn of events in the Vrede judgment in the Free State High Court, where the National Prosecuting Authority now wants to appeal against the ruling of Acting Judge Gusha in the first state capture case in the Free State, is but one example. State versus state, nog 'n vrugtelose uitgawe, agterbare voorsitter. The Honourable Minister Lamola should critically assess the conduct of prosecutors and acting judge involved in the failure of this critical trial, as well as investigating Directorate of the National Prosecuting Authority, who now wishes to appeal. The Office of the Chief Justice should also be held accountable in its training support role in this instance. State negligence cannot be tolerated. Thank you, Chair.